What's going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? You ready to have some fun? I know
That's
I
why
am.
I'm looking at
Let's
it,
get
and
it
I don't know if
in.
you looking
Hello
at it like
preview.
me, but
Literally.
when I'm telling you, it was looking good, but I'm like,
It's even hitting.
oh shit, like this.
What's going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? We are having another PhD hair solutions. Gonna be having some fun today. You know, it's your girl Queen of Hair Illusions, baby. Okay. So now that we are a medical hair loss facility and we official, I had to go ahead and jump on this video again. You feel me? I had to put my hands on it. I miss y'all. Most definitely. Don't get it twisted. I've been itching. Itching, okay, to daggone put on social media, but I had to be disciplined. All right, we're gonna have some fun with this video. We're gonna check it out. We are doing a full lace unit. My dog was like, Taneasha, you could do it. I'm like, really? You think I could do it? She said, you could do it. I'm like, okay. I'm in the season of having fun. I don't want to keep on doing mundane things. So your girl is just playing with it, okay? Let's get into it. So this is my first time, okay? My very first time doing a full lace unit. These jokers are a little expensive, and this was a custom size. You see how beautiful this curl this you see that the little spoiler. So you know this gonna get cut off right. You know it's gonna get cut off, and this hurt my soul. So I'm like, okay, I gotta go ahead and show the peoples that you can put this, you can part this to the left, to the right, to the front, to the back, to the width, to the wing. We waited 5 weeks for this to get created by my distribution company. Tariffs who, tariffs why. We ain't gonna cry about it. We gonna keep it moving. But yeah, so let's get into this cut. I am now way more seasoned with my clippers. Your girl has been in the lab, okay? I've been in the lab getting my little scraps on. My little it's craft, but I was a little... Let me just go ahead and do what the video was doing. Anyway, I'm doing the best that I can. You know, we growing together. Shout out to the new YouTubers out here finding their way. What's up? How y'all doing? This YouTube University, right? So I'm learning how to edit and how to outsource like the 4-day work week. I'm learning AI and I'm fumbling. Okay, I'm fumbling. So if I'm a little loud, I got the little microphone. I got off of one of the platforms. I ain't gonna shout it out because I ain't got time YouTube to be striking nobody. Talking about striking. This is the 4th time I'm recording this daggone video, y'all. And one with the help with somebody. Do I have special in my name somewhere that I missed? Oh, if you like this content, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Taneasha, why should I subscribe? You ain't been posting nothing, girl. Didn't I say I had some tests I had to pass? Okay. I had to get my cards on, my index cards. This is the kind of energy I love.
I can feel the air.
You can feel the air.
Right now.
Let me let her get in. Let me let you get some
I
more
feel you
of the back
touching
behind the scenes. Be quiet real quick.
This is a full cap. I like it. Oh, you love it.
I was working hard.
I'm gonna tell my people like, hey,
it's off the rocker.
It's off the rocker. And this is a custom size.
Oh yeah, tough it.
Every
day anymore. So.
Oh.
But because I started seeing more results when I didn't work out every day.
Yeah, because your body was able to get them. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So what you as far as the crown, you can feel it. It feels more light.
Yes.
It's freeing.
Yes.
Okay.
Like I said, aeration, if that's a word. I could feel the...
What's the favorite part about it? The way you can feel the air?
Yes, that's my favorite part about it. I could feel it's breathable. It doesn't feel like a unit or...
Anything's on your head.
No, absolutely
so you
not.
have S.M.P. It feels freeing as if when you went and released your hair.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right.
And you know, I've done a little bit of everything. Yes, ma'am.
So A1?
A to the 1.
Ow, ow.